Hello, my name is Susan, and I'm your teacher here at Booked Up English. Let's learn a red word. Red words are special because we stop to think about them. Practice all the red words using the link below. We will do 4 things to learn red words. Listen, say, spell, write. You will need a notebook and a pencil. Make flashcards to practice. Use a red marker or pencil to help your brain learn these words. Are you ready? Let's go. Today's special red word is live. Listen. Live. Say it. Live. We use our arms to help our brain stop and think. This is called arm tapping. Let's spell in English. Live. L-I-V-E. Live. L-I-V-E. Live. Let's write it. L-I-V-E. Live. L-I-V-E. Live. Thanks for learning today. Review all the red words using the link in the comments. See you soon.